This is joy. Kami are alive in Riley's mind. Ito naman guys, yung kay sadness na voice. Hi there. What's your name? At saka, ito naman si Disgust. Kaboses na kaboses ko yung emotions ng Inside Out na movie. Ito naman si Disgust. What do you mean we? Ito naman si Anxiety. Hi there, little pugs. Ito naman din si Anger. Oh, what are you doing here? Like that. Tsaka, yun lang, guys. Bye-bye na, guys.